What's going on, people? Mr. Markey here. Right, so today we're going on a little mission. It's 6:20 a.m. I'm running late. It's March the 14th, and come on a journey with me. Right, so I'm in the car and we're just trying to run down to Dubai Mall. Running so late. I was meant to leave as the alarm went off, but I'm running late. Gonna meet one of the guys, Marwan, down there. Make sure you check out his Instagram. I'll leave it on here. But yeah, special day today. Sneaker release. Let's see. First come, first serve. Let's see what the chaos is like in Dubai Mall. Let's get it.
Why are you walking like this?
Alright, so as you see, Nigel Sylvester Jordan 4s, brick by brick. We've got them. It's time to take them home. Look, they're sitting down here, coming on the journey with me. So let's get home and let's see what's in the box. Oh, got them. What's going on, people? Mr. Markey here. As you see from the beginning of the video, we've got a special pair here. I've been waiting for this pair. In all fairness, let me be honest. When I first saw the pictures for this pair, I wasn't really that impressed. I actually thought they were like a red shoe, and I was kind of like, the Red Octobers is not something that I would go for now. It's not kind of with my aesthetic. Yes, they're a grail, but would I actually wear them? When I saw these, I thought an all red pair of shoe. I'm not sure, but then saw a couple of reviews. Shout out to Chef Fowler. I kind of came around and I thought, you know what? I got a call. They said, look, do you want to come and get these? And I said, you know what? Yeah, let me get them. So, like you saw before, I haven't actually opened these. I tried on someone else's pair in the store. Shout out to my guy Marwan. But we've got the Bikey Air Nigel Sylvester brick by brick. Woo! This box is something, you know. Feeling it here, can you hear that? Yeah, that grain. Ooh. But if you don't know about this pair, this is the Nigel Sylvester Jordan 4 brick by brick. So Nigel Sylvester, as we all know, is a biker, BMX biker to be exact. Shout out to my guy CK Flash as well. Big in the BMX industry, culture. Yeah, check him out. Right. So he's been doing this, I think he's been an athlete since 2017. Yeah, because I know he had, 2017 was when he dropped his, the Jordan 1. I wanted that pair. Shout out to my guy Nenad, he's got those as well. Awesome pair. They're the ones where when you wear them more, they get beaten and so on and so forth. They actually look beaten like you actually a BMXer. So yeah, that was a good pair. The Jordan 4, the lows I wanted to get recently, missed those as well. Just didn't have my sizes. The UAE, please, size 12, US 12. I'm not Godzilla, please get my sizes, yeah. So missed those as well. That's another reason why I was kind of hell-bent on getting these. And yeah, even when Nigel Sylvester, he normally comes to Seoul DXB, and I've missed him a couple of times at Seoul DXB. So maybe this year I might even see if I can get him to sign these pairs. Fingers crossed. I'm pointing that into the universe, see if you can grant that for me. But yeah, back to these now. This is the brick by brick, so this is based on the red bricks from New York City. And also is Nigel's kind of ethos of he's building everything brick by brick, step by step. He's building himself, his brand and everything. And he's trying to show everyone else about how building whatever you're doing brick by brick. So yeah, you know the backstory, so let's get into the kicks. Let's see these. So as I said, can you hear that? It's got kind of like a texture, like it's a brick. It's not as crazy as I thought. Oh, it's actually embossed on the text as well. And yep, you know Jordan 4s normally have a Jumpman on the back, or if they're special edition, special like the OGs, they will have Nike Air on the back. But since he's a biker, we got bike air. Bike air, not bikey air. All right, so let's, oh. Don't know if I can say this in the UAE, but it looks like we found another brick. Yeah, I've not seen this before, so let's open these up. Are they they're individually wrapped as well. Let's pop that one there. Oh. Oh, there's a little Easter egg in there. So I don't know if you can see that, but inside you've got goal written. I think this is the same text that was, I think Nigel had a book, I think it was like 2015, and it was a brand, I think, as well. It was gold, so that's cool. That's a nice little Easter egg inside. Has it got anything in here? No, it's just the text, the debossed in the inside where it was embossed at the outside. So that's pretty cool. So let me pop these in here. Trying to clear up some space. Right, so what are we doing, left foot or right foot? Let's do right foot. So I'm actually gassed about these. Like I said, when I first saw them, I wasn't really interested. Oh, what's this? Can't even open this, it's like it's got a child lock. So yeah, when I first saw these, I wasn't that interested, but you know, sometimes you see a shoe. What did that happen with? The Sean Witherspoons, the Air Max 95s, 97s. When I saw those first, I was like, I'm not interested in these shoes. And I started seeing them on foot and I was like, oh my God. Now, that's a shoe that's eluded me to this day. The prices they want for it, I'm not prepared to pay, but I really do like that shoe. So let's put that there. Yeah, let's leave it there, you can see that. All right, so here we go. It's gonna be a drum roll. Wow, they've actually individually wrapped each one of these shoes. Nice, let's get that down. And here we have it. The Jordan 4 brick by brick Nigel Sylvester collab. You know what we've got to do first of all, first and foremost? Woo! Yeah, that's got a nice hit on it. So I'll probably show you some B-roll of these, but if you could see the materials on these, woo! These are nice. That suede, I don't know if you can see that, but see that suede where you can just run your finger along it? Yeah, I love it when Nike does suede like that. That was similar to the, hold on, the Armament Air 4s, the same kind of suede. I like it when Nike use more of a premium suede on them. They're just buttery soft. Oh yeah, obviously flipped with a mint lace check lace. Let's drop these down here. But yeah, let's get back to this. Okay, so this section is a lot softer. So this is what I was worried about. So this mudguard section, I was thinking this is gonna be rock solid. Oh, it's textured like a brick as well. We've got the baby swoosh. If you know me, I hate the baby swoosh, but I think I can let it go on these. These are much nicer. But yeah, I was worried about this mudguard. It's textured like a brick, but it's a lot softer. If you can see there, it's a lot softer than I thought it would be. So, because you know with Jordan 4s, they have a habit to pinch. I don't know if it's with everybody, but I know the majority of people I know. In this section here, they normally pinch, especially the little toe. I've seen there's a load of memes that you see online where they're talking about wearing Jordan 4s all day and your feet start singing. Because they're quite snug. But yeah, this is actually quite soft, so I'm actually impressed with that. So I like the brick texture, and I think this is kind of a good thing, especially if you're biking. Because if you know anything about BMXs, when the pedal hits there, it will tear the shoe to pieces. So that might be a little bit of functionality they've put in there, which is pretty cool. And the midsole is got a white hit. Is it white or cell? I can't really tell under the lights. I think it looks white under the light, but it could be cell. Because that's one thing I wasn't sure about, if it was white or cell, because you know me, I'm gonna have to flip the laces. So I wasn't sure which way I was gonna go with that. But yeah, definitely gonna flip them. I think it's cell, so I think I'm gonna put a cell lace in these, not go for a white. I've got a couple of ideas for some lace flips. I'll show you some of those later. But yeah, I'm actually pretty impressed with this. Suede all the way up the tongue. Nice buttery soft suede. Got the Jumpman logo, flight underneath. The wings, it looks like they followed the SB. These are super soft compared, let me check this as well. Oh yeah, this is also very flexible. So I know a lot of people have issues with this on the back of their leg. I've never had that issue. But yeah, this is actually a dope pair. I'm really, really impressed with this. Oh, got a little present on the inside. Nike's provided some laces. Let's see what they've got. Okay. Oh, they've wrapped them slightly different to what we're used to. I've never seen them tie them like this before. It's maybe a new thing that Nike's doing. So these are like an off-white lace. Yeah, they don't really match the shoe. I don't know if you can see there. I don't know, it may be a bit overblown. But yeah, they don't really match the shoe. So definitely got to flip those out. Those ones can go in the box, never to be seen again. Nice white and red sole. Also, the sole here is it looks like it's a translucent sole, colored in the same color. What's the actual colorway on this? Give me a second, let's check. So the colorway is Firewood Orange, Sail, Cinnabar Orange. Okay, never heard of those colors with them. So yeah, it's not a red, it's more of like a brick orange color. And yeah, this is, the translucent sole's a nice touch on these actually, I like that. So you've got 3 different kind of colors there. So you've got one here on this here actually, on this kind of rubbery bit, and then the brick section here, and the suede. One thing I've noticed as well, Nike, what is this? Can you see that little notch that's there? Nike, Team Nike, what's going on with that? I've noticed that on a few 4s. The Yamama Nairs never had them. These are a bit cooked at the moment, but the Yamama Nairs never had them. But I've noticed that, I think it was on since the breads. Yeah, I see my breads are still dead stock. I've not even laced them up yet. Can you see that notch is there on the breads as well? That's strange, I wonder what that is. Anyway, we're not gonna look at it, that's the only thing I can see on them. Nike's QC has actually got a little better, because I remember when I used to open up Jordans, especially Jordan 1s, I'd always open them up with a razor blade just to see what's going on. Okay, so in the insole, you've got that Go logo inside again. Let's see which insole we've got. Nike's gone for that floppier one. I forgot what this is called. The Dream Cell. Is it Dream Cell? Yeah, the Dream Cell. See, I like that new one that they've put in the Jordan 1s. That one's really comfortable. These are quite thin, so don't think that's really going to affect the sizes. I've tried them on. I actually used to be a 12 in Jordan 4s, but now I go to 12.5 since the Oreos. I don't know what happened, but the sizes got a little bit smaller for me. Don't know if that's, let me know in the comments if that's been the same for you. Have you noticed that you've had to go up a size or half a size in Jordan 4s? But yeah, I've got the 20, I think it's the 2012s. Cements, these will be coming soon, but these are the 2016, it's 2016 or 2012, I can't remember. But these ones, these are size 12. All my Jordan 4s are size 12. but since the Oreos, I've had to go up to a size 12.5. So yeah, I'd say go true to size. Best thing if you can, try them on, but probably it's too late to try them on now. But yeah, don't know about this, but this should be all right. I know this fits good. So yeah, let's have a look. Oh, and last but not least, the Bikey Air on the back. That's just a nice touch. I like that. That's why I really wanted the lows. The lows I really wanted one, but the colorway that I wanted, the green pair was the only pair that came out in the Middle East. The other pair didn't come, and that was the color that I really wanted. I think it was not Grandma's Driveway. The green one was Grandma's Driveway. I think it might be called Grandma's Driveway as well. I'll see. I'll put the name across here because I'm old. I can't remember. But yeah, this seems like a good shoe. There's only one thing left to do. Get them on foot. I was thinking that this would have been a white sole here. The back's, that's funny, the back's white, but this isn't. Okay, that's a bit strange. Okay, Nike doing Nike stuff. So I was thinking of going for an icy white lace, but that's not gonna be the color. So I'm gonna give some on feet. I think I'm gonna go for the sail lace. That's, I think, it's gonna be the one that's gonna match that. That's a much better match than the laces that came in the box. Or I was thinking of going super crazy and trying a citrus lace, but I'm not sure whether to go for the flat lace or the new SB lace, semi-rounded lace, I should say. I think I might go for the semi-rounded just to give it a little bit of a puffier feel, something a bit different. But yeah, overall, people are saying sneaker of the year. I think that's oh, look, there's another Easter egg here. Okay, so inside it's got Jordan Biking Co. 2017. I didn't notice that. Normally it says Air Jordan, but they've got for something a bit different. Okay, these little touches, I like it, I like it a lot.
I like it a lot.
But yeah, I'm gonna get these on feet and let me know which laces I should go for. Let me know in the comments. And if you think of any other lace combinations I can do, all right? Once again, I'm Mr. Marky and this is the Lace Check. See you on the next one. Peace.